welcome back to my channel. We are going to I want to tell you something. We are going to the Bug Festival.
Scorpion's bum. You want one? Here we go.
I am.
All
Kaitlyn, it's called Twilight Sparkles. Twilight Sparkles.
There we go. See, spiders have a lot of myth and nonsense about them. The female makes out that the deadly false widow hasn't actually killed anyone, is deadly and dangerous. It's a load of rubbish. Films make them out to be evil monsters and, you know, arachnophobia and eight-legged freaks and all that rubbish. There's one film that gets it right, though. Crocodile Dundee. There's a scene where he's in the bar. I don't know if you remember. You've seen it, yeah? You guys have seen Crocodile? Everyone has seen it. It's part of childhood. There's a scene where he's in the bar having an argument just before he meets the bloke in the dress. He's having an argument about what's deadly, the black widow or the funnel web. And he says, no offence to the black widow, mate, but it's the funnel web that will get you. Do you remember that bit? It's true. Black widow, if you got bit by a black widow, you probably have a 90% chance of surviving, even without anti-venom. Black widows will kill children, no doubt about it. They'll kill you if you're old or if you're immunocompromised. You're in a lot of trouble with a black widow bite. But the real big killer is the funnel web. There's been about 13 or 14 recorded deaths just from the Sydney funnel web. Bear in mind, that's one of about 5 species of funnel web in Australia. The inland tree funnel web is more toxic than the Sydney funnel web, but you're not likely to come across that one. It's a great film, that, isn't it? You learn so much from films. Do you know my favourite bit? You know when he's on the date with his girlfriend, and the dude comes up with his little knife and goes, "Oh yeah, give me your wallet and your jacket," that bit, and his girlfriend goes, "Yeah." He goes, "Why?" And she goes, "Ah, he's got a knife," and he's like,
It's a knife. That's a knife.
That's great, isn't it? That's not a spider. Here we go. She is gorgeous. This is Sally. She's a salmon pink bird eater. Put your hands out your pockets.
God.
You look lazy.
And I'm scared of spiders.
Both hands. Are you really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, both hands, mate. There we are, nice and flat. Sally is very friendly. She's only a baby. She's about 5 or 6 years old. Currently measuring in at 8 inches across.
Can't tell. Fine. I don't think it'll be fine with big ones. The little ones are run quick, I like.
Yeah, they make the jab. Do you want to see the fangs?
Alright, got fangs on that one.
They've got some fangs. She's not been devenomed. You can't devenom a spider. If you cut the fangs off, you'll kill it.
Seen that, Kaitlyn?
There we go. Have a little close look. Bring her around. I wouldn't be so mean. Right, bird eaters. Do they eat birds? No, they don't eat birds. It's a myth. They live underground in burrows. The main form of food is like invertebrates, beetles, cockroaches, bugs, earthworms, even other spiders, sometimes scorpions, and sometimes snakes as well. They'll take lizards, reptiles. Give this guy a big round of applause, guys. Spider silk does not attract fungus. It is antibacterial, and
I hope you enjoyed the bug video. Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell. Bye.